Hello and welcome to Scottsdale. So we are taking one more final tour in Scottsdale Country East, which is a great community out here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. It's a golf course community, there's lake views, and you're centrally located to amazing shopping, events, and it's just a very desirable place to live out here in Scottsdale, Arizona. So as we take a tour of this property, we're going to notice amazing upgrades, golf course views, move-in ready home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, open floor plan, single story. So if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel, share my info. We are helping people throughout the valley find the perfect home. All right, let's take a tour through. All right, so this amazing home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,097 square feet. So just under 3,100 square feet. And as you see, it is completely remodeled and updated. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous home. This one features a 3-car garage, golf course views, and super large driveway. So this is your home right here. You are on a oversized lot. The lot itself is over 15,000 square feet. So it's a pretty unique find to get something with a golf course view, a lot of parking, large lot. And this one right here, you're priced under 2,200, sorry. And this one right here, you are priced under 2.2 million. So besides this home just being amazing, I want you to take a minute and enjoy the neighborhood. It is a neighborhood where everyone's homes are million-dollar properties. You're in a gated community. It's a pretty unique location and pretty nice home if you're looking to relocate, buy a home to have that's a little bit of a downsize, or maybe you're looking for a permanent home in a community with a golf course, or someplace that you're close to everything Scottsdale. All right, so as we take a look at 83rd Place, this home will check every box for you with a beautiful Scottsdale, oh sorry, let's delete that. Let's take a look at beautiful 83rd Place. This home will check every checkbox you may be looking for. It's spacious, it's bright, it's comfortable. There's an entertainment style layout, so if you're an entertainer, this could definitely work for you. It's move-in ready. And it just hit the market, so if you're looking to buy, sell, upgrade, this could be the home for you. All right, so as we walk on through, you're going to see it's beautifully paved. You have these grand double doors. Throughout, you have this beautiful wood look tile. And the first thing you have when you enter is this gorgeous living space. So nice tall ceilings, custom lighting throughout. And views, so you have that beautiful pool back there. And again, this lot is massive. You're over 15,000 square feet on the lot, and the home is just under 3,200. So as we take a walk on this way, we're going to go into the primary bedroom, which also offers great views. It's a very large primary, so you have plenty of room in here. You have your own seating area. You can access the backyard. So lots of natural light in this one. And again, it is another move-in ready home. And as we come in here, you're going to notice this gorgeous bathroom. So you have the walk-in shower, his and her sinks, beautiful silken tub. And again, this makes a beautiful move-in ready home. You have a good size walk-in closet. And again, the lighting is amazing here. So lots of natural light. You have quartz countertops. Which leads back out to the primary. And as you see, we're going to walk on through. They use the same flooring throughout, which is wonderful. And this would be another secondary bedroom, but you have your own ensuite, so your own bathroom, which is wonderful if you have guests or if you want to do an office space like this. This could work too. For me, this would be great if I don't have to leave my office. I can't have any distractions with family or my puppies. Or the kitchen. Sometimes I want a snack, you know, you leave the kitchen. So if you can just lock yourself in your office for hours, you definitely get more work done. And having a bathroom right in here definitely makes that doable. So they did a great job with a stand-up shower. Tile from floor to ceiling. And this one right here does offer its own linen closet. So lots of storage in this beautiful home. And again, if you didn't know, we do work the whole valley. We are touring Scottsdale today. I have some clients looking in the area. So we're taking a tour of 3 amazing homes in this one community. But if it's not the home for you, but you like the Scottsdale area and you need a home tour of a different home, or if you want to see this one in particular, please contact me. Comment below Scottsdale tour and my team will be in contact to help you get in. Would love to help you purchase this home and be the new happy homeowners. This home right here features this beautiful bar area, which leads into bada bing, bada boom, custom gourmet kitchen. So this is an amazing area. The lighting is amazing. The views are perfect. You have mountain views, golf club views. You have golf course views, nice tall ceilings, and of course, the perfect fireplace. I could just imagine a tree in here, waking up Christmas morning. And as we go this way, we're going to notice that we're going to enter the secondary bedrooms along with the adorable laundry room with a dog shower. So you can get the other light to go on in here. That would be amazing. Oh, bada bing, bada boom. We have a light. All right, so this is perfect. Oh, if you have little ones, this is perfect for them. You have the little shower right here. Keep them nice and clean. That's right beside your laundry area. And this should lead us to that 3-car garage, which again, it's a great size, insulated doors, lots of cabinetry. This is a great home. So if you're thinking that you want a home on the golf course, I might have found a community that has a lot of selection, some great pricing in here, some different options depending on what you're looking for. Because I know size matters. Some of them will be a little bigger, some will be a little smaller. And this one right here kind of has it all. It's a great size single story. All the upgrades makes it move-in ready. And then that back lot, having a yard in Arizona at 15,000 square feet is almost unheard of. It's usually a much larger premium when you want a bigger lot. And this one isn't only bigger, it also has the views. So you kind of get the best of all worlds. This is one of your secondary bedrooms. So that would be bedroom number 3 that we've seen. And this is final bedroom number 4. All right, so as we head back this way, we are going to head into one more bathroom, which again, they did a great job with the shower, super fun tile, and this is floor to ceiling tile. So bathrooms, kitchens, flooring have all been upgraded, making this home a move-in ready home. All right, so we are gonna head back into the backyard. This is definitely the main selling point of this home. It is amazing. So look at this patio. It goes on and on and on. I'm gonna head back this way so you can take a really good look. So a lot of space for entertaining. And we're in gorgeous weather. So it's, I think, in the 70s today. So it's perfect out here. I always tell my clients, October to May is the best time to be in Arizona. We have amazing weather, so many different events going on, depending on where you are in the valley. And if you are into golf, this is a great location. I know I have a lot of clients that enjoy the sport. So being this close to the golf course is always a plus. Being in a golf course community, of course, is always a plus. Right, so we will take a yonder on this way. Just want you to see how amazing this is. You have pine trees, mountain views, golf course views. It's all right here in your own backyard. And look how gorgeous this home is. So it's a nice smooth stucco finish, gives it a more modern feel. They have the black windows, super slider right there, so you can bring the outside in. And this is real grass, so they did a great job. It's not turf, it's actual real grass. And the lot is just amazing. We're gonna walk on this way so you can get the size of what you'd be working with. And again, lots of privacy when you have a larger lot like this. And the location out here in Scottsdale is amazing. Carolyn's close by, lots of restaurants and shopping. We're on that Starlight golf course. And I'm gonna have to do it one more time if you haven't done so already. Please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel, share my page, contact me so you can get a personal tour of this property. If this isn't the home for you, but you found one that you liked, send me a DM. I can get you into that home also, get you a private tour, help you get more info. And we're entering the first week of December. Believe it or not, we can still get you into this home or any other home in the next couple weeks. You could be in your home for Christmas morning. There's still time to make 2025 the year that you buy a new house. And of course, if you're a first-time home buyer, this is definitely the best season to get the best deal. Historically, that November, December, January is kind of when all the other buyers are just worrying about holidays and family events. But if you're a serious home buyer, honestly, this is the time that you get the biggest bang for your buck, the best deals out here in our market. We do have quite a selection of homes that are available. I have clients getting into homes that I negotiated some crazy negotiations when it comes to closing costs, incentives for my home buyers. My veterans out there are getting in at no money down, getting all their closing costs paid. So it's a great time to buy a home out here in Arizona. Ignore the news and all the craziness that's going on. Talk to a professional like myself. I've owned my business 9 years and help people move constantly. Sometimes multiple times a week, I'm helping people get keys to their new homes. So if you have questions on the market, just want to conversate to see what it would take for you to buy a home, to buy this home, please comment below. Contact me, 623-210-0386. And I hope you have an awesome day.